Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. In this quick video, you guys, I want to show you guys, I'm doing brakes on 2007 1500 at work, Ram 1500, and I would call this a disaster brake job. And I should have known when I saw this, and I saw that when it pulled in, because those should be a gray color aluminum wheels. When you see that, you know something bad has happened. And this is the worst one I've run into. Now, he ran his pads all the way down. Seen that plenty of times, but I've never seen it this bad. Check this out. So I went to take the rotor off. I noticed how thin it was. I pulled here. I've never had a rotor do this. I pulled here to pull the rotor off, and this came off. This is the actual rotor. This is the hat of the rotor, and which makes it, you know, it just goes on here like this. I've never had one this bad before. I've had them down to these vanes before. These are coolers to cool your rotor down, is what they actually are, as you can see right through here. They wore it all the way down, but I've never had the actual rotor surface break off before. I haven't taken this side apart yet, but I'm gonna show you. Look how thin that is. As you can see, this one's not as bad, but you can see right here, kind of hard to show you with the light, right there, how thin it is. It should be as thick as the outside, and it's not. So just a little quick video show you guys this type of stuff that I deal with every day at work. The other thing that we're gonna do is I'm going to do an oil change, because there's no oil in the dipstick. Typical, man. And I'll tell you what, people always complain about Dodges. I get it sometimes, but it's usually the people like this that say, oh, they're junk, look what it did to my brakes. Well, no, you did that. Or the engine will lock up. Well, they ain't got no oil in it. That's their fault. That's not the engine's fault. That stuff just drives me nuts. People complain about, and it's not just Dodges, it's other manufacturers as well, but people like to rag on people that own Dodges. Well, the people that own them, that actually maintain them, that's why we like them. They're good to us when we maintain them. So if you maintain your vehicle, it'll be good to you 99 times out of 100. Sometimes you just get a lemon, there's nothing to do about that. But just want to show you guys this. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Hit that subscribe button, join the Fab family. We do detailing videos, do mechanical repair videos, typically just detailing videos only. And we'll see you guys in the next one.